Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about REDnote and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your